Do you know what tea tastes like after being distilled? Today we use a rotary evaporator to distill jasmine tea. First, pour the brewed jasmine tea into a clean container. Remember to discard the first brew, it should not be used. Our experiment equipment includes a 50-liter rotary evaporator, also a circulating water vacuum pump, and a low-temp chiller pump. Once ready, turn on the water bath and set the temperature to 70 degrees Celsius. Then start the vacuum pump, creating negative pressure inside. With negative pressure, the tea water is drawn into the flask. Next, start the cooling circulation, so coolant flows in the condenser. As temperature rises and pressure lowers, the material begins boiling. Steam condenses in the condenser and gathers inside the receiver. After about 20 minutes of distillation, the receiver is filled. Now we can start to collect the distilled transparent liquid. Open the intake valve to restore pressure, back to normal level. Turn the bottom discharge valve and collect liquid in a beaker. Through the beaker, you can see the tea is colorless and clear. The distilled jasmine tea aroma becomes even more intense. At the same time, it no longer has the original sour astringency.